One of the most important things you need to know is when your data changes. This could be because you have a sales number and you need to know when you hit that threshold, or you need to know if something drops below a certain level. You'll need to know these things, and the best way to do that in Power BI is to set an alert that lets you know whenever the number changes. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Whenever you're looking at a dashboard, you'll be able to set an alert on 3 different types of tiles. It could be a single number tile, a KPI tile, or a gauge tile. In my case, I'm interested in sales, so I'm going to set it on this tile. To set an alert, you open the menu and you pick this little bell-like icon. From there, you'll see an alerts pane open up. And from here, you can add as many alert rules as you want. Currently, I have none set, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add Alert Rule. From here, I can do things like set the title for the alert. So I want to call this Sales Alert. And then I can set the condition. So in my case, I want to know when the sales reach is above 450,000. I can also set the notification frequency. So I can choose either to set it once every 24 hours or once an hour. And what this does is once my threshold of my sales hits above 450,000, I'll get a notification. And if I leave it at once every 24 hours, even if my threshold reaches above 450,000 again later, I will not get a notification until tomorrow. And I can also choose to send me an email whenever the alert happens, or only if I uncheck this, I'll only get an alert in the notifications pane in Power BI. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And now my alert is set. And as the data continues to change, Power BI will check and see if the alert threshold has been hit. And once it is, I'll get a notification. So once my data changes, I'll see the notification and I'll show you what that looks like. Now I'm back, and now the number has changed, so I see that my alert has happened. I can see both on the tile itself, I can see that there has been an alert, and I can see it in my notifications pane. So when I open the notifications pane, I can see that my sales alert has gone off and it has exceeded 450,000, and the actual number is 458,000 and some change. And from here I can also go to the tile and see that in more detail. And in addition to the alert in Power BI, I also set it so it gives me an email. So you can see here I have this email and it tells me that I got an alert and what has exceeded. And I can also from here jump to the tile or the dashboard, or even get additional insights if I was curious about why it changed. And so this is good if I really need to know when my alert has been triggered. This email helps me keep track of that without having to constantly check Power BI. So with the power of alerts, you can always know whenever some data you care about changes, and you'll be able to jump to it and start learning and getting insights from that as well.